Hello friends, in this video we're going to discuss about TestAS, the advantages of TestAS, which is very important, and how you can use your TestAS to skip the student colleague. So this is very important update, or we have researched that there are certain universities on the behalf of your TestAS score, you can skip the student colleague. So we have done this into the public university in this September intake for 2024. So if you have a good score of TestAS, depending whether you're going for engineering, technical management, or any other course, you can skip the student colleague. So this is very important, and we have tested on our students, not tested actually, we did, and we helped them to skip the student colleague and save their 1 year, because student colleague will not give you something extra knowledge altogether. So the amount of energy which you're investing in the student colleague could be saved, right? Secondly, the amount of energy which you're gonna spend while doing your student colleague is your 1 year, your living expenditure, and you're going to waste somewhere around 25 to 35,000 euros. Why? Because in Germany, if you get a full-time employment, so this is an average amount which you earn. So this is what you have to think. And in my last video also have described the ways how you can skip the student colleague and you can pursue your studies for the 3 years bachelor's. So in Germany, there are various options available now to pursue 3 years of bachelor's. So the students who have the year gap, who are not able to study in Germany, who have an year gap, got any visa rejection, or who are thinking what to do and still preparing for NEET or JEE and not able to get the limited seats. So you can apply to Germany. Any question, we will be very happy to help you out. You can contact for Ausbildung, for bachelor's, for master's, for PR, for investments, and we would be very happy to help you out. Our team would be very happy to help you out. Thank you.